what's going on, guys? This is Metadata here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a software engineer and I'm a father and a husband, and I want to learn hacking. So let's do this. In front of me, we got a TryHackMe room where we're going to learn a crucial hacking tool that I've seen before, but not really mess around with. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to get this music out of here and we'll bring in some other music. All right, let me get my camera out of the way so you can see what I'm looking at. Pretty much going to do this in one take and it's going to be live. Single take, not really live. We're going to move you right here. All right. So Nmap, a powerful network scanning tool. I used the machine that you start up for free. I have a free account, not subscribed to their paid account. I've got my VPN over here, connection, got that going, and I've got my IP address on my machine right here. So let's get right into it. I think I understand how this works. Services are running on ports. So let's go test this. Ports. I just guessed. How many of these are available on a network-enabled computer? 65,535. How many of these are considered well-known? Gotta research this. Search in Google. How many well-known ports are there? How many well-known ports are there? 2024. Or 1024. Boom, done. Okay, so they're teaching you the command for sure. You run this from the terminal. I knew that. Which is the first switch listed in. All right, so we're gonna learn everything we need to know about Nmap to become the ultimate hacker. But I want to know, what is the first switch listed in the help menu for a SYN scan? I see a script scan. This isn't the fun stuff. TCP SYN half open. -SS. Yeah. UDP scans. Okay. Different scan types. (793). It'll send back the RST. SYN scans. There are two other names for a SYN scan. What are they? Half open or stealth? Can Nmap use a SYN scan without sudo permissions? Yes. Oh, it needs sudo? Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not reading all of this. It's probably not a good idea, but I learn by doing. That's how I learn. And I'm hoping to find rooms like that. It's great to have information. And honestly, I might not stay in this room very long because this is a lot of information. And how much of it you can actually remember? Practical. Am I going to regret this wholeheartedly? Let's do this. Use Live Learn to scan a target machine and answer the following questions. If you're not a subscriber, make sure that this machine has had around 10 minutes to start. has had 10 minutes to start. Does the target respond to ICMP ping requests? No, it does not. I actually tried that. The ping port, ICMP port, is closed. Perform an Xmas scan on the first 909 ports in the target. How many ports are shown to be open or filtered? All right, I need to go back and use this. Perform an Xmas scan. Okay, we gotta go learn how to do an Xmas scan. Truthfully, I would just Google this kind of thing. Aha! Less commonly used than any of the others were covered already, so not go into a huge amount of depth. I don't care. Xmas scans, SX, send a malformed TCP packet and expects an RC response for closed ports. So SX, S capital X. First 999 ports. All right, so let's see. How do we use this again? So we do Nmap, the scan type, options, and then target specification, which I believe is just an IP address. Example, Nmap. Oh, okay, so we could just do an IP address. Copy this sucker, and we're gonna do, come on, scroll. Nmap, we're gonna do something, 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 and then that. Those are our options. Only thing I think we're missing is the scan type. And the first 999 ports. So I have to go back and what are some examples of that? Overview. Why is nobody? It's pretty cool. Bypassing firewalls. Okay, still looking for just like the type. Scan types. So SX is the TCP Xmas. Okay, so this is all I got to do. Oh wait, how do you specify number of ports? For that, we have to go back to -H. So we're learning on the fly here. That's why I like to do it. Port specification. Port ranges. Only scan specified ports. So this is where I would do port 1 to 9. Yeah, this is what I do. 1 to 999. Okay, I got it. So SX P, and then I do 1 to 9999, and then paste the IP. The heck? Oh, we learned it requires sudo. Oh, forgot the IP. CD. Still need the IP. Selection. Okay. Here we go. Host seems down. If he's really up at blocking our ping probes, try PN. Nmap done. Okay. Do I do it here? I don't think that's the way that works. I'm pretty sure capital P is a different thing. Yeah, I'm immediately regretting that. I don't think that's correct. SX dash P. I don't know if you can do it like this. Whoops. P, capital P, little n. Let's see if it works. Okay. To me, that's a good sign. It's not immediately exiting. We'll take a moment to just think about the things that we're grateful for in life. Also, I realized my AC has been going, so sorry to put you through that extra noise. Just learn a little bit about the Xmas scan and how it works. So it's pretty cool. The Xmas scan will actually send out malformed TCP packets, and if you get the response back saying this is malformed, then you know that actually RST is what is it? You basically, if the port is closed, you'll get the RST response back, and the ports that are open or filtered will process that and drop them because they're malformed. It's referred to as X% as the flags that it sets, PSG, URG, and FIN, give it the appearance of a blinking Christmas tree when viewed as a packet capture in Wireshark. That's funny. Okay, its host is up and all 998 scan ports are open filtered. So back to our practical. Perform an Xmas scan on the first 999 ports on the target. How many ports are shown to be open or filtered? All of them. Look at that. We did our first Nmap scan. Let's go. There's a reason given for this. What is it? Note, the answer will be in your scan results. Think carefully about which switches to use and read the hint before asking for help. There is a reason given for this. What is it? So, and the scan results. All that we have is the host is up. All 909 scanned reports on the host are open, filtered. One IP address, one host up, scanned in 200 seconds. Okay, what about the hint? Run this command with the VV switch enabled. It's good practice to always increase the availability. We gotta do this again. Well, I'm not gonna wait. What? What was it? Capital V, lowercase v, lowercase v. Okay, so extra verbosity. Oh, that's actually really good practice. I've done this in other commands, and I'll definitely suggest you do that here too, because instead of just seeing no output, you actually see that there is some scanning going on. All right, just finished. Hopefully have a little bit more output now to take a look here at the question again. So there's a reason given for why all 999 ports of the first ports are shown to be open or filtered. And hopefully it's a little bit more obvious. So we knew it was an Xmas scan. Let's see. Received user set, all 9 are open because of 999 no responses. So no responses. Look at that. Yep, that's exactly how an Xmas scan works, and we can evade the firewall with that. So they don't have to be active listening. We don't have to get active responses for this. The way Xmas scan works. Now we have to perform a TCP SYN scan on the first 5,000 ports of the target. How many ports are shown to be open? All right, let's do the same exact thing. Instead, we're going to change We're going to keep everything the same. We want the verbosity. Instead of Xmas, we'll change that. And we still want to evade the ICMP because ping is not working for this host. So TCP send scan. Send scans. All right, so it's just SS. Okay, initiating send stealth scan. So now we are discovering ports. So how many ports are shown to be open? Okay, so this is pretty easy. In this case, it looks like we only have 4 ports that are open. So we have FTP, domain, HTTP, and MSRPC. Huh? Oh, my bad. I did the first 999, and we have to do the first 5,000. Hopefully we, yep, definitely got at least one more port there. This is pretty cool if you think about this. I don't know where they have this host deployed. Probably AWS, some cloud provider. And from my computer, I'm running Kali Linux, and I'm able to run Nmap and just scan that computer out there and see what ports are open. The internet is so weird. So, all right. So the answer is actually 5 because once I expanded how many ports to tech, and then now we get to open Wireshark and perform a TCP connect scan against port 80, target monitoring the results. Make sure you understand what's going on. Okay, used Wireshark before. I've not connected it with an Nmap. In fact, it might, I know I definitely have Wireshark here. I just have to. Okay, so. Oh, it's for subscribers only. I see that little plug there. I see that little plug. Perform a TCP connect scan against port 80 on the target. I'm guessing that I just start capturing packets and then I run. So I'm going to take this to the side. And of course we have the VPN doing this. But if I were to run well, I guess I have to go back and figure out how to do. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to wait until I actually know what I'm doing. TCP connect scan, and that's ST. All right, so we're going to continue without saving. We're going to run the exact same thing. Instead, we want to target a specific port. It says target 80. I want to do ST. We should see traffic coming through. Yep, we see it. ARP. So there's the ARP request to go. All right, what's our question now? Go back to our question. No answer needed. Oh, okay. So we go back to, we go back to what happened here. So we had some DNS queries and some ARP queries. Yep, I mean, I don't really feel like digging into that, but pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right, and deploy the FTP anon script against the box. Can Nmap log in successfully to the FTP server on port 21? All right, so there was a whole searching for scripts. All right, so just got to find the okay. Cairo scripts would be a very bad idea to run in a production environment. Exploit. Nope. Intrusive. So, gotta find. I don't know if we need any. What option or argument can the FTP anon script take. So we're told to run this. So we're told to run nmap-p80-script, and then the name of it's going to be ftp anon or anon, and then there might be some anonymous arguments. But what we're told is that we can go out and find scripts. But let's go back and see 21. I think port 21 is the port I care about. And let's take that IP 10, 25, 120. See if it works. Oh, add verbosity. Can't forget that. Just to see what's happening. Look at that. It's running. How am I? Oh, I guess I don't need to run sudo each time. Weird. Huh. Anonymous FTP login allowed, can't get directory listing, timeout. Can Nmap login successfully? It said FTP login allowed, just timed out, 2:30. So I'm going to say it did, yeah. All right, there's the practical. And I think we skipped the firewall evasion. Was this just all questions? Yep, these are just all questions. So I hope that you go through this room and you go through it more thoroughly than I did. I wanted to kind of get the highlights. I've seen the tool a little bit. I knew how flexible it was. And I really just kind of wanted to get my hands on it and mess around with it. And I got exactly what I wanted out of that. And so I'm going to do on my own time some more deep dive into it and learn it, because I know that if I want to successfully use it, I'm going to need to know everything it can do and not just the one or two things that I got a chance to do. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Hope you're learning alongside with me, and let me know in the comments if there's anything that you like, any of the rooms you like me to cover, whether it's on TryHackMe or another type of box somewhere else. I love this. I do this in my free time. I'm not paid to do this, and we'll see later on the line if my career turns towards cybersecurity. But right now, I'm really enjoying software. So that's all that I wanted to do today. So hope you have a good one.